Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities Exercise 6.26 sum. Let's see the question. Show the following inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane. So we need to show it in graph. The given equation is 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. So 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. We don't know to solve inequalities, but we know to do it in when it is equal to. So I am going to take, let us consider the given graph, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. I am taking this to be in equal to. Now you can substitute any point of x or any point of y to find the other variable value. So I am taking xy, I am substituting x to be 0. If like x is 0, then minus 3y is equal to 6. Then y will be equal to minus 2. If x is 0, then y will be equal to minus 2. If y is 0, if I take y to be equal to 0, then 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Now y 0, we got x to be 3. 2 points is more than enough. We can leave with 2 points. Mark the value here, 0 comma minus 2. 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 is here. Join the 2 points. We get a linear graph. This is the graph for the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now take any point of this side or this side of the graph, not on the line. If I take a point 0 comma 0, it will be easy always to substitute 0 comma 0 in the equation. So I am taking the point to be 0 comma 0. In 0 comma 0, we get the graph to be substituted in the question. So you get 0 minus any number will be 0. So 0 is greater than 6. From this we know it is false, because 0 is not greater than 6. 6 is the greater number. So it is false. That means you need to shade the point away from 0 comma 0. Taking this point, it is wrong. So we need to shade it in this direction. If it is true, you need to shade it in this way. As it is false, you need to shade it in this side. So shade the line, draw a line as this. This is called shading. This is away from the origin. As we have taken 0 comma 0, it is false. We need to shade it away from the given origin. So this is your graph. Now need to write it as shaded region is away from the origin. Therefore, the shaded region shows the inequality. Two x minus 3y is greater than 6. So our shaded region will be the graph of 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. That's all with the sum. Thank you.